Hey class, I decided I wanted to do a do-over on my video. I'm just really making one slight change, and that's to the smoke coming out of the chimney. I'm using the same basic shapes, rectangle, some triangles. This time I'm going to use circles. So a lot of margin, and I'm actually going to add a border radius to my house. Got 5 pixels. That just rounds it out and makes it look a little bit better. Then I'm going to move that first triangle over, just using a margin top and a margin left. I'm going to keep it the same size. Go with 50 pixels. And again, I should put that right on the top. Same thing with the smaller triangle. I'm just going to do the same exact thing. And make this -70 pixels. So then that goes right on top of that. The next thing I'm going to do is work on the chimney, which is this triangle top right, which is really just a square, but this is transparent right here, which is so cool. And I get to use the transform on that. But first we need to make it look, we need to make it smaller. So let's do that by shrinking it down a little bit. And I want to make it dark red. So you can see that this is just about the right angle for the chimney here. So really all we have to do is move it. Add a margin left. So see how it puts it just almost exactly where it needs to be? Now I need to put in the rotate, and to do that I remembered that when we worked on the heart exercise that this is what we would use to rotate. So I'm going to copy that over. I know it looks really bad, but I'll fix it in a second. CodePen needs a beautify. I'd really love to be able to just click a button and have it be perfect. So obviously we don't want it rotated. I just started playing with this to see how far I needed to go, and then I just kept getting down, moving it over and over until I finally got to 2 degrees. That looks about right, and it's just, as you can see, it's just lining up just ever so slightly off. So let's change the margin. There we go. Now if we were doing this for a real web page and mobile and all that good fun stuff, I need to make sure that these are correct. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'm going to take the circles here, and I should have 4. So let me copy my tiny down here. Make my 4th one. There we go. And I'm really just going to make them smaller and move them over, and that's going to be my cool little smoke. First thing I'm going to do is make this gray, and then I'm going to add my margin top and my margin left. So I can move these guys over. And at the top, I'm going to do 90 pixels. And to the left, now all I have to do is shrink it down. there we go. There's my first little puff of smoke. Now on to the second one, which is just ever so slightly smaller. So the first one was 20 pixels. I'll make this 15 pixels. Change the color to gray. Add my margin. Oh. And my margin left. And at the top, I'm going to do minus 34 pixels. And at the left, I'm going to do 260 pixels. And that's the second puff of smoke. On to my last one. Just going to make this 10 pixels. Same exact thing. Negative 20 pixels here because I need to get that way over 285 pixels. There's that. And last but not least is my itty bitty tiny. I made him at 7 pixels. I like to see the shapes move. Gray, and same thing here. Margin left. And I did this at negative 10 pixels. Actually, this is margin left. And this is supposed to be margin top. So then I just have to move him over, way over. 305 pixels for him. And there you go. Simple mouse house. Thanks, guys.